Good morning, dear students. In the previous class, we have discussed about the very important concept, that is packing efficiency in the body-centered cubic crystal and body-centered cubic unit cell, as well as face-centered cubic unit cell, and we are also discussed about the simple cubic or primitive unit cell. And today in this session, we will discuss about calculation of the density of the unit cell, and this is also very important. For theory examination, definitely there will be one question on this concept, that is from the density formula. Okay, and here how can you calculate the density of the unit cell? Generally you know that density means what? What is the formula for that calculation of density? Density is equal to mass by volume. And here also we are applying the same formula, but the formula which is used in the normal calculation of the density, and here it is somewhat different, because you know that in the unit cell, for example, you take primitive unit cell, how many number of the atoms are there? 1. If you take the BCC unit cell, body centered cubic unit cell, here atoms are present at the corners as well as center of the body. Therefore, total number of the atoms are how many? 2. We are face centered and we have total number of the atoms are 4. Therefore, number of atoms are different in different kinds of the unit cell. Therefore, we are using one formula, and based on that you can apply this formula for any kind of unit cell. And what is that formula and how can you derive this formula? Let us discuss. So here you know that in this I am taking, you know, A is the edge length of the unit cell. A is the edge length of the unit cell. Okay. Next D is the density of the unit cell. D is the density of the unit cell. Density of the unit cell. Is it clear? And now we are calculating here, that is M is a mass of an atom. We are taking mass of an atom. Okay. And now we are applying here, so we can take here in this the volume of the unit cell. You know the volume of the unit cell. What is the formula to calculate the volume of the unit cell? The volume of the unit cell. The volume of the unit cell is taken by the formula is equal to what? AQ. Right? So that is length into breadth into height. And now what I am doing here, mass of unit cell. Mass of unit cell is equal to, so we are using the formula mass of number of atoms present in the unit cell. Present in the mass of number of atoms present in the unit cell. This is the formula. And to this, you know that why I am taking mass of the unit cell is equal to mass of number of atoms present in the unit cell, because in the unit cell either it may be simple cubic, body centered or face centered, right? So atoms are different. In simple cubic we have one atom, right? And in the body center we have two atoms, face centered we have 4 atoms. Therefore, number of atoms are 1 in case of simple cubic, number of atoms are 2 in body center, number of atoms are 4 in face center. Therefore, number of atoms are different. Therefore, we are calculating mass of number of atoms. Mass of number of atoms in the unit cell with this formula. I am taking Z into M. Okay, M is a mass of unit cell, Z is the number of atoms. M is a mass of unit cell, Z is the number of atoms. Okay, now mass of an atom. So this is completely mass of the unit cell. This is completely what? Mass of a unit cell. Now based on this, I am taking mass of an atom, only one atom. Right, mass of an atom in the unit cell. In the unit cell is equal to, we are taking, that is capital M. So we are using this form. Okay, so sorry, mass of an atom. So we are taking, this is M by capital M by Ne. Capital M by, we are taking what? Ne. Right, and what is this? Small m is equal to capital M by Ne. And why we are taking this? Mass of an atom in the unit cell is equal to why I am taking M by Ne? To calculate mass of one atom in the unit cell, we have to divide with the Avogadro's number. And this formula you may get in the first BSc, that is some basic concepts of chemistry chapter. Right, mass of only one atom. Right, mass of number of the atoms, it is different. For example, in the 1 mole, how many number of the atoms are there? 6.0232 10 to the power 23 atoms. Okay. Mass of only one atom is calculated by using this formula. Right, M by NA. Mass of atom by, that is, which is dividing with Avogadro's number. Now, I am applying the density formula now. Density of the unit cell is equal to, that is D is equal to mass of unit cell by, that is small m, mass of unit cell by, you can write down. So mass of unit cell by volume of unit cell. Mass of unit cell is equal to small m. Okay. Because mass of the unit cell is calculated with the formula small m. Okay. Now mass of the unit cell, so mass of the unit cell is equal to, you have the formula Z into m. Because we have taken here, that is mass of the unit cell is equal to Z into m. And what is the value of the unit cell? Value of the unit cell we are taking. So I can write here, mass of the unit cell is equal to, I am taking Z into m. Value of the unit cell can be taken as what? Aq. Right, density is equal to what? D. Okay, but mass of an atom, you know that mass of an atom in the unit cell, that is small m is equal to, what is the formula? Capital M by NA. Therefore in the place of small m, what I am substituting now? Finally, we are taking density formula. Here I am writing the final formula. Density D is equal to, okay, Z into, what is the small m value? Small m is equal to capital M by NA. Mass of an atom by Avogadro number. Right. So therefore, Z into capital M, Z into capital M by AQ into NA. So this is a formula, final formula, which is used to calculate the density of the unit cell. Right, once again I repeat. So here mass of the unit cell is equal to mass of number of atoms present in the unit cell, Z into m. Mass of an atom in the unit cell, small m is equal to, what is the formula? Capital M by NA. Density of the unit cell is equal to what? Mass of the unit cell by volume of the unit cell. Mass of the unit cell, we are taking this formula Z into m now by AQ. But small m is equal to, what is the formula? Capital M by NA. And remember always for simple cubic. So I am writing here, if the unit cell is simple cubic unit cell, simple cubic, right, Z value is 1. Okay, remember always this. If it is BCC, Z value 2. If it is FCC, what is the Z value? 4. In a question, because in the question they will mention only simple cubic, then the Z value will not be given. You substitute the Z value, that is Z is equal to 1 if it is simple cubic. If it is BCC, take the Z value 2. Okay, and if it is face-centered cubic unit cell, you have to take the Z value is how much? 4. Right, and based on this, we are going to be discuss some numericals. Let us see some numericals on this concept. And before going to see the numerical, we have to remember some more values here. Later on, we will discuss the numerical. Because in this picometers, because the adherence is given in picometers, nanometer, and also the angstroms. Sometimes you may get confused, 1 angstrom is equal to how many centimeters, how many meter. Similarly, 1 meter, 1 picometer is equal to how many centimeter, how many meter. And 1 nanometer is equal to how many centimeter, how many meter. So that you will get confused. So first I am writing, just remember this, 1 picometer is equal to, remember this, 1 picometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meters, which is equal to 10 to the power minus 12 centimeter. Okay, sorry, 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter and 10 to the power minus 12 meters. Don't get confused. 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter, 10 to the power minus 12 meter. Okay, and 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 7 centimeter, 10 to the power minus 9 meters, 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Similarly, 1 angstrom is equal to 10 power minus 8 centimeter, 10 power minus 10 meters. So these are very important values, because in the numericals they will give only angstroms and picometer, nanometer. We have to convert the values into the centimeters, meters, right? So now we will discuss some numerical. Write one question. Later on we will see how we can solve this one. So the question is given as an element crystallizes in an element crystallizes in FCC. FCC has a edge length value is given, that is edge length of 0.56 nanometers. 0.56 nanometer. Calculate the density of the element. Comma, molar mass of the element is given as 40 grams per mole, which is directly given 40 grams per mole. Right. So this is a question, and you see that it is FCC. So what is the formula we are applying? D is equal to Zm by A cube into Na. Z value is FCC. Right. In FCC, what is the Z value? 4. No doubt at all. In a phase center cubic crystal, how many atoms? 4 atoms are. And what is the mass? Molar mass given. Right. It is how much? 40 grams per mole. Okay. Now edge length value is also given. Edge length means A. How much it is? 0.56 nanometer. Okay. You know that grams per mole means we have to convert this nanometer into the centimeter. We have to convert this nanometer into what? Centimeter. To convert this, first I am writing 0.56 into 10 to the power, right? 0.56 into 10 to the power minus 7 centimeter, because 1 nanometer is got how many centimeter? 10 to the power minus 7. So otherwise we can write it is 5.6 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. You can write it is 5.6 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. And I think we have all the values. So density is equal, what is the formula? Zm by A cube into Na. Avogadro number, you know that. What is the Avogadro number value? 6.023. 0.22 also we can take. Approximately we can take 6.023. Right. So Z value is how much? 4. Molar mass value is how much? 40 grams per mole. Okay, 40 grams per mole. And now, so that is A cube value is 5.6 into A value is 5.6 into 10 power minus 8 whole cube. Because the A value is this one, 5.6 and 10 power minus 8 whole cube, and A. So right, you can write 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Na means Avogadro number. Right, and do this calculation. Finally get this one. Density is equal to, you will get this value 9.11 gram. Right, 9.11 gram per centimeter cube. Right, so this is the answer you get, and do this calculation. So, and here in this question I was taking the Z value because it is FCC 4. Mass is, molar mass given already, edge length is given, but we are changing the edge length value into the nanometer to centimeter. And now Na is Avogadro number value 6.023 to 10 power 23. Like then you can solve this question. And similarly, I can solve one more kind of question like this only. Okay, let us see how can we solve this question. So the question is, say we have one more question, element having an element. So we are given that element having atom, an element having atom, that is atomic mass. These are all previous questions only. 107.9 gram per mole. Okay. Has FCC unit cell. Has what unit cell? FCC unit cell. Okay. The edge length of the unit cell is The edge length of the unit cell. The edge length of the unit cell is, it is given as 408.6 picometer. Calculate the density. Calculate what? The density. So again say, so what is the Z value? It is FCC 4. Okay, now molar mass is given. M is how much? 107.9 gram per mole. Right. A value is also given. So that is A value which is already given here. A value you can take edge length value which is already given in the question. 408.6 picometer. This 408.6 picometer I am converting into the centimeter. 408.6 into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter. And Avogadro number value we know that. Na is equal to what? 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, now I can substitute in the formula D is equal to Z value 4 Zm by A cube into Na. Okay, Z value is how much? 4. Molar mass value is how much? 107.9. Okay, A cube value is 408.6 into 10 power minus 10 whole cube because it is A cube. And Na value you can take 6.023 to 10 power 23. Okay, 6.023 to 10 power 23. And finally you get answer is D equal to. So if you do this calculation you will get 105.9 gram per centimeter cube. So this is the answer for this question. Right? It is very simple, and once you know the formula, it is very important also, because in the theory examination definitely they are asking one question on this concept. So just remember the formula. Density is equal to, what is the formula? Zm by A cube into Na. Z value we have to take based on the question. It is simple cubic 1, face centered 4, body center 2. M value will be given in the question, edge length will be given. If the edge length is given, then you can make it A cube. And Na value know that. Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 power 23. And I will give some more questions and you can solve the questions.